Welcome! In today's video, we'll be walking through how to allow specific users to call you on Telegram Web using the newest update. If you'd like to have more control over who can contact you through voice calls, this quick guide will show you exactly how to set it up on your PC. First, open Telegram Web on your browser and make sure you're logged into your account. Once you're in, look toward the upper left corner of the screen and click on the three horizontal lines. That's the main menu icon. From there, select Settings. This section is where all your account preferences are located. Next, click on Privacy and Security. Telegram's latest update has improved this area, giving you more detailed control over your privacy, including call permissions. Now, under the Privacy section, find the option labeled Who Can Call Me and click on it. You'll see several choices here, but to only allow calls from specific people, choose Nobody. Don't worry, this doesn't block everyone permanently. It just sets the stage for the next step. Once you've selected Nobody, look for the Always Allow option. Click on that. A list of your Telegram contacts will now appear. From here, simply choose the users you want to be able to reach you through voice calls. You can pick as many people as you'd like, maybe close friends, family members, or work contacts. After selecting the names you want, confirm your choice to save the settings. And that's it! You've now customized your Telegram web call settings so that only the people you trust or need to communicate with can call you.